Hello everyone, and welcome to the PortCalls YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about what a company needs to know on the Data Privacy Act. Our guest is an associate lawyer connected with the Batino, Tan, Talon, Cacao, and Espinosa law offices, practicing corporate law, labor law, criminal law, and litigation. Guys, let's all welcome Attorney Luisito Rabat. Hello, Attorney! Here is my question. Attorney, what are the 4 essentials a company needs to know on the Data Privacy Act?
In a nutshell, I can explain the Data Privacy Act in 4 points. Number 1, it regulates the collection and processing of data that enables identification of individuals. Number 2, it requires that the collection and processing of personal data must have a lawful basis or criteria. Number 3, it requires that personal information controllers and processors follow general privacy principles of transparency and legitimate purposes. And number 4, it also provides sanctions for its violation. Maria, let me explain first. For number 1, if you are a data controller or a personal information controller, then this means one who controls processing of personal data, then you are regulated by this act. Number 2, to actually collect and process personal data, there has to be a valid reason or purpose. So napaka-importante ito. This is mentioned in the act, and the best way to do this is to get their consent first of the person who you're getting personal information from. Tell them the purpose why you are collecting their personal information, and because this is the safest way to be protected. Number 3, so the Data Privacy Act or the DPA has a specific set of parameters which you as a data controller or processor should follow. So basahin nyo na po, just go over it. You can find it online and make sure to familiarize yourselves with it. And number 4, this is also very important, the sanctions for violating the Data Privacy Act. Because these do not just include fines. These include prison time. In fact, a couple of years ago, the first conviction under the Data Privacy Act was handed down by the Regional Trial Court of Makati. So in this case, an employee of a BPO was caught, and she admitted it, accessing personal information like temporary PINs and other information of clients, their credit cards. And when she was caught, she was brought into court, and she was prosecuted, and she was found guilty and given the judgment to suffer, if I remember correctly, 1 year prison time and also a fine of 500,000 pesos. So this is not and or. This is, you can be given prison time and also be fined. So please remember to take this act very seriously. Yun lang po, Mariel, I think that's the best way to explain the act very briefly. Thank you po.
Thank you, Attorney Luisito Rabat. If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment below, and get updated in our next video. Bye!